Okay, Emmy Penny, here's your soup.
Here's your soupy soup.
No?
I don't even know how you do this. You think it's funny? There you go.
Oh.
There you go. Good job. Oh, you gotta swallow it though. All right. First taste. Kind of a blowout. All right. Let's try again. Here we go. Good job. No.
Nope.
You're supposed to swallow it. I'm so confused. Here you go. That you got that down pat. There you go.
Oh dear, you're a mess.
Oh.
Yeah, that was better.
Getting it? There you go. There you go. Oh, not your hand too.